There's a moment when you're done with the noise and you start thinking, there has to be something else. Well, this is something else. Welcome to the Queenslander. Nearly 1,800 square feet of interior living space and 800 square feet of veranda, this beautiful home sits on a one-of-a-kind hilltop just 15 minutes from San Ignacio Town and in a quiet neighborhood. And before we step inside, let's just soak this in. That view, countryside, farms, jungle, distant hills. This is your morning coffee. Nobody rushing you, nowhere to be, just this. Now stepping inside, the first thing you feel is how open and airy it is. High ceilings, big windows, a layout that lets the breeze move through the whole house. It's a Queenslander style home designed specifically for tropical living, and you really feel that the moment you walk in. This kitchen is great if you're a cook and like space. Stainless steel appliances, wall oven, dishwasher, plenty of cabinets, and a large island. You can tell that someone took their time designing this kitchen. There are 2 good-sized bedrooms. Each of them have ceiling fans, plenty of natural light, and solid closet space. When family makes a trip down, and they will, they'll have a proper place to settle in. One of the beautiful features of this home is the French doors all over, which provides easy access to the wraparound deck. The guest bathroom is spacious and inviting. There is also a laundry room with a washer and dryer hookup, and it has its own exit door, which means that you can go outside and line dry, and that makes a lot of sense here in Belize and on this hilltop where you can take advantage of the breezes. Last but certainly not the least is the master bedroom, which is a generous size. You wake up, open those doors, and the hills are right there. And then you have the master bathroom, which has both a shower and a tub, which isn't that common in Belize, but on a slow Sunday morning, that tub matters. Spacious, airy, and in great condition, this home checks a lot of the boxes. And then we come back out here because this is really where the story of the home lives. We find 1.2 acres of beautifully landscaped property with room to breathe on all sides. High-speed internet, city electric, a 15,000-gallon water system with UV filter, a 2-car detached garage, and a separate storage building. You are close enough to everything you need. Quiet enough that it actually feels like a life you chose. As always, feel free to reach out to me. I am always here to help.